Hello and welcome back to the Supermarket Cooking channel. Today we are learning how to make your own tomato sauce from very simple supermarket ingredients. Okay, so there's so many sauces, tomato sauces available in every supermarket across the world. My preference why I am actually cooking a sauce, because a lot of sauces I like, they do have olive oil, and I want my tomato sauce to be very light. So I am cooking the tomato sauce just for that reason. You could buy one from any supermarket. We are cooking from London, and all our ingredients are available in every supermarket in the UK. If you are watching from somewhere else, please do comment where you're watching from and what sort of ingredients are available in your local supermarket. I'm just gonna start from those chopped tomatoes. That you can buy them everywhere. And I am going to pour them in, and I will use a little bit of water to just wash everything out. Okay, so let's start it. Basically all you need to do is boil it once. I am going to use Italian herbs. I will use some of this seasoning just because it has salt in it, so it's a little bit salty. I'm going to use a little bit of just plain British flour, and it's just to thicken the sauce a little bit. But probably for that sort of amount, maybe half of the spoon is enough. Okay, and I am going to use a puree or a tomato paste if you have one. And that's probably just 1 spoonful too. I love basil, so I cook everything with basil. Everything which kind of sort of Italian-ish, I put basil in. I have learned this trick in Korean dramas. If you watch Korean dramas, you would know the trick. And we're mixing all of this. Okay, so you simmer that for a couple of minutes. And I think it's ready. So you might think it's a lot of sauce. What am I gonna do with that if I leave alone, if I don't cook that much? So what I do, I take those foil containers. I'm really trying not to affect the environment, so I am trying to avoid the plastic. So you take one of those containers and you put it inside. Now you can close it and freeze it and use it later. It's totally freezable. Smacznego!